Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import customers in Zoho Books. This is incredibly useful when you're migrating from another system or need to add multiple customers at once, saving you hours of manual data entry. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, log in to your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you have admin access, as this will ensure you have the proper permissions to import customer data. After logging in, look at the left sidebar and locate the Sales tab. Click on it, and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Customers. This takes you to the Customer Management area where you can view, add, and manage all your customer information. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see three dots which represent the More icon. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Import. This will expand another set of options where you should click on Import Customers. This is the gateway to bulk uploading your customer database. A pop-up window will appear presenting you with two choices, either customers or customers' contact persons. For this tutorial, we're focusing on importing customers themselves, so select the option named Customers. This ensures your file is processed correctly for customer records rather than just contact information. Next, click Choose File and browse your computer to select your customer list file. Zoho Books supports CSV, TSV, or XLS formats, so make sure your file is in one of these formats before attempting the upload. Once you've selected your file, click Next to proceed to the field mapping screen. The field mapping screen is crucial because it tells Zoho Books which columns in your file correspond to which fields in their system. Take your time here to map the fields from your file to the corresponding Zoho Books fields. For example, if your spreadsheet has a column called Company Name, match it to the company name field in Zoho Books. Proper mapping ensures your data imports accurately. Once you've completed the field mapping, click Next to review the data. This preview lets you catch any errors before finalizing the import. Double-check that everything looks correct, then click Import to complete the customer import process. Your customers will now be added to Zoho Books and ready for invoicing and transaction management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.